Welcome to Bite Size Dental Marketing. Today I have the lovely, amazing co host Ian of Bite Size Dental Marketing. We've started to get a fair amount of questions from dentists and office managers asking how AI and Chat GPT and things like that are changing the SEO landscape. And they're asking questions like, are we using it? Does it impact my SEO? Just different kinds of questions along there. And Google's recently come out and issued some guidance on it, and I wanted to get your take on it.
That's a great question, Eric. We're regularly seeing there being the hesitancy on should I be using the software on my website? Should I be implementing this type of content with the release of ChatGPT? Every second website now is AI detector and test your AI content. And I've tested those for the record to our listeners. They are far off. Do not use those
Mm-hmm.
websites. They do not know what they're doing. When it comes to building frameworks for your service pages and writing about certain treatments, or it comes about trying to understand what you would like to achieve before going in and then making the content more unique, making it more original, which is very, very important, then Google's not going to have a problem with your content because you're still trying to
Yeah.
provide the best possible value.
Google's been very consistent through the last number of years of saying we want it to be valuable for users, we want it to be non-deceptive, and we want it to be original.
If those things are happening, then whether it's your own written content or whether it's AI content, Google is going to judge it the same.
I like how we leverage Chat GPT, and even on the video work that we're doing now, I'm uploading the shorts to an editor so we get those cool captions, that show the colors on some of the
Mm-hmm.
videos. Like
Mm-hmm.
we've started to use AI for that, but it still has a human hand that goes in there and looks for the right moments and cuts out some of the filler words and things like that on video. But on search, I know that the SEO team and Sarah and the content team are using it of they're getting kind of like you said a framework, and then they're going in and adjusting the copy to fit that office. And I think today that's the right way to use it. I think as it evolves there'll be different ways, but today that's how we've decided to use it, and we've seen really good results.
Mm-hmm. And one super powerful way to give, whether it's a dental practice or other marketing agency, to give you value by using it as a tool is think of it instead of something generating AI content, think of it as a Google search engine that you're using to give you all of the available information on that treatment. So if you want to write a page on dental implants, that bot ChatGPT has access to the whole internet. I think it was up until 2021 or something, and they've kept updating it. So if you say, give me all of the frequently asked questions on dental implants, it's going to go digging for that and it will find those answers. And then that's where you can then have the power to make it unique, to tailor it to your client, to make sure that
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
understand what people have been asking online, but then again, to go and make it unique, to tailor it to your client, to make sure that you're speaking to their brand and creating valuable content that Google will reward.
Ian, thank you for your time. This was a quick one but a good one,
A quick
and that
bite.
was your bite of dental marketing.